Hello and welcome back to the next part of our series on building an Instagram customer outreach plan. After finishing the preparation in step 2, we move on to step number 3. Niche targeting. You choose the niche you want to target. For example, if you sell cars, then target pages, users, and hashtags related to cars and vehicles. If you sell cosmetics, then target beauty, fashion, makeup, and skincare. The important rule is to interact only with content in your niche, so you stay relevant. Focus on the topics that your customers care about or stop to watch more often. Step number 4 is interaction with secondary accounts. Here, you use the software to follow competitors. Scan the data of people who follow your competitors, or the people your competitors are following. You can also scrape lists of friends of your potential customers. This way, your reach becomes much easier. Next, use your accounts to like and comment on customer posts. For example, leave a compliment or a congratulation before you try to sell. Also, watch and like Instagram Reels. At the beginning, you should compile URLs of Reels videos that you think your customers will enjoy. For example, if you sell camping gear, then have accounts watch videos about survival, camping equipment, camping cars, or famous camping sites. Okay? In Part 3, I will guide you on how to start boosting sales content or direct ads to customers. Do seeding, which means viewing, liking, and commenting on videos, and scale things up more clearly.